guys, we're here in a Mazda Furai Concept on a city track. Two of us are Mazda Furai Concepts racing against Charples. I don't get this thing about these Mazdas. They just design concepts like every year. Not much point when there's already like loads of concepts out anyway. So anyway, Mazda Furai Concepts, they're fast up hills, down hills, and they're fast going around bends. They take corners pretty good, and they're actually like really fast for this concept. But I'm used to this, but I'm not going to talk now if I need to. The Charples actually smacked in the wall a few times, and I've smacked in the wall a few times. But this is when I had trouble at the end. I didn't know where the finish was, and I skidded and I came last. Told you, but thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll be doing more videos shortly.